Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm gonna redraw this drawing of Broly I did over 6 years ago. I'm sure that many of you don't even know this drawing, and as this drawing is not that bad, a redraw will be a great video, I think. This is a scene from the second Broly movie, where Broly is fighting Gohan, and as for my old drawing, everything looks pretty good, except the face looks kinda off. In general, it's a good drawing with not much flaws, but also it's not an outstanding drawing. Therefore, I'm sure we will see a bit of improvements today, and I was really looking forward to redraw this. I'm using this image from the movie as a reference, and I'm sure I used this back then as well. For the face, I wanted to change the angle and the expression, and I found this one to be perfect for that. So I will now combine both images, and as always, I will draw this in my style. Also, I want to keep this perspective during the whole video, so we can see how this drawing is coming to life very naturally. So guys, enough talk, let's watch this video together to the end, and then we can compare both drawings. Like the video, and then let's go. So guys, Broly from Dragon Ball Z is finished, and as you can see, I kept it very close to the movie scene instead of to the old drawing of mine. As for the new drawing, I really like it. I love the face and the expression of Broly. He looks real evil, and also the muscles look amazing. The hand also looks perfect, and the fact that I colored the palm of the hand yellow because of the reflection of the energy ball is looking great. I love the simple shading too, and I'm also happy that I saved the background. And when we compare both drawings, we can see once again huge improvements and differences. When I look at both drawings like that, I see that the new one is looking exactly like the Dragon Ball Z evil Broly. The old one looks more like the Broly from Dragon Ball Super somehow. These two drawings are completely different in my opinion, but just quality wise, the new one is way better I think. It's drawn so accurately and every line is on point. We can see more of Broly on the old drawing, which maybe makes it look better when you look at it at first, but comparing every part of the drawing closely, I think the new one is better on every aspect. Well, at least in my opinion. I still like both drawings a lot, so it's still a win. So, what about you guys? Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and also let me know which old drawings of mine I should redraw next. For commissions, message me on Instagram and check the info box for all the links to all my stuff. That's it for today guys, and right here you can see more of my Dan vs Now drawing challenges, and I see you on the next